Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an IRS tax refund inquiry letter. What is an IRS tax refund inquiry letter? An IRS, or Internal Revenue Service tax refund inquiry letter is a written communication sent to the IRS by a taxpayer, or their representative. The purpose of this letter is to seek information, clarification, or resolution regarding a tax refund. Taxpayers may use this type of letter to inquire about the status of their refund, request details on the processing of their tax return, or address issues related to their tax refund, such as delays or discrepancies. IRS tax refund inquiry letters typically include the taxpayer's identifying information, the tax year in question, and a clear description of the issue or question that needs to be addressed. These letters are an important means for taxpayers to communicate with the IRS about their refunds and resolve any concerns or problems. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an IRS tax refund inquiry letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your information as a sender of this letter. You need to write your full name. And then, write your home address. After that, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, you can write the recipient's information. Write their full name. If you have no idea, it is okay to directly write the department or the office name. In this case is Department of the Treasury. And write the name of the organization. In this case is Internal Revenue Service. Under it, write the address of the office or department or organization. Don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And you can also add reference or subject of the letter. This is optional. In case you include it, you can write tax refund inquiry for tax year, and write what year. Under it, you can also write your SSN or Social Security number. After writing all these information, now you can open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, to whom it may concern, since you have no idea about the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, this is about inquiry introduction. Here, you need to state your purpose clearly and concisely. Yes, you want to inquire the tax refund, and mention what year the tax is. Here is the example. I am writing to inquire about the status of my tax refund for the tax year 2023. And mention also your SSN or Social Security number. This is important especially if you haven't mentioned it in the reference of the letter. For example, my Social Security number is 123456789. And then, let the IRS know that you are inquiring about the status of your tax refund for the specified tax year. And provide the date you filed your return. You may write something like, I filed my federal income tax return electronically on September 1, 2023. And I have not yet received my refund. In the second paragraph, this is where you write your reason for inquiry. Yes, you need to express your concern about the extended processing time. And write also your desire to understand the status of your refund. If you don't know what to write, you may copy this. I understand that processing times may vary, but it has been an extended period since my tax return was filed. Not only that, you need to also request information about any potential delays or issues that may be affecting the processing of your return. And here, the writer wrote, as a result, I am eager to ascertain the status of my refund and receive information about any potential delays or issues that may be affecting the processing of my return. Sure, you can use this paragraph into your letter. In the third paragraph, this is where you talk about supporting documentation. Mention that you have enclosed copies of your tax return. They are including all schedules and forms and any additional documentation that may be required to verify the accuracy of your return. And make sure you really attach them all along with this letter. Here is how you write it. Enclosed with this letter are copies of my tax return, including all schedules and forms, as well as any additional documentation that may be required to verify the accuracy of my return. In the fourth paragraph, indicate your willingness to provide further documentation if necessary. You may write something like, if there are any discrepancies or issues with my return, I am willing to provide any necessary documentation to resolve them promptly. And then, you can give your contact information. Yes. Provide your contact details, such as email and phone number. And express also your willingness to respond to any requests for additional information. Here is how you write it. Please contact me at edwardjulian@email.com or 555-123-4567 to request any further information or clarification. In the fifth paragraph, you can request for update. Kindly request that the IRS provide you with an update on the status of your tax refund. Of course, you have to ask politely like, "I appreciate your attention to this matter." And kindly request that you provide me with an update on the status of my tax refund at your earliest convenience. Besides that, emphasize the importance of timely resolution due to the financial impact of the refund. Here is the example. Timely resolution of this inquiry is greatly appreciated, as my tax refund is essential to my financial planning. And for the closing paragraph, write your expression of gratitude. Thank the IRS for their attention and assistance in resolving your inquiry. And here is how you write it. Thank you for your assistance in this matter, and I look forward to your prompt response. Finally, you can close the letter with "sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an IRS tax refund inquiry letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.